Hello and welcome. Today we're diving into an innovative approach to digital entrepreneurship known as ghost commerce. This model is transforming how businesses operate in our increasingly connected world. So, what exactly is ghost commerce? At its core, ghost commerce is a business model that functions almost entirely online, eliminating the need for physical storefronts, substantial inventory, or large teams. The term ghost highlights its behind the scenes nature. These businesses are lean, automated, and often operate unnoticed. Unlike traditional retail or e-commerce, ghost commerce leverages automation, third-party logistics, and digital platforms to manage tasks that typically require significant resources. This includes strategies like drop shipping and affiliate marketing, focusing on scalability and freedom over complexity and overhead. Why is ghost commerce gaining popularity? This approach epitomizes working smarter, not harder. Here are a few reasons why entrepreneurs are embracing this model. Minimal upfront investment. Traditional businesses often demand significant capital to start. In contrast, ghost commerce allows you to launch with a minimal budget, focusing on digital tools and platforms. Scalability through automation. Automation is the backbone of ghost commerce. Whether it's email marketing, order fulfillment, or social media scheduling, technology handles the heavy lifting, enabling you to scale without adding layers of complexity. Location independence. Imagine running your business from a cafe in Paris, a beach in Bali, or your couch at home. Ghost commerce offers the ultimate flexibility to work from anywhere. Diverse revenue streams, from affiliate commissions to digital product sales. This model allows you to tap into multiple income sources, reducing dependency on any single stream. What are the core components of ghost commerce? To succeed in ghost commerce, it's essential to understand its foundational elements: digital assets, websites, and blogs. These act as your digital storefronts showcasing your products or services. Social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook let you connect with audiences and amplify your reach. Email marketing systems, tools like MailChimp or ConvertKit, automate lead nurturing and help you turn subscribers into customers. Automation systems, fulfillment. With drop shipping or print-on-demand services, you don't have to manage inventory or logistics. Marketing, schedule posts, run email campaigns, and build evergreen funnels that drive revenue 24/7. Analytics. Tools like Google Analytics provide insights into customer behavior, helping you refine your strategy. Monetization models. Affiliate marketing. Earn commissions by promoting other companies' products. Digital product sales. Sell ebooks, courses, or templates that require little to no ongoing maintenance. Membership platforms. Build recurring income by offering exclusive content or access to a private community. Popular ghost commerce strategies. Drop shipping. This model allows you to sell physical products without ever handling inventory. You act as the middleman, listing products from suppliers on your website, while the supplier handles production and delivery. Affiliate marketing. Love recommending products. Affiliate marketing enables you to earn commissions every time someone purchases through your unique link. This is perfect for bloggers, influencers, or YouTubers looking to monetize their audiences. Digital products. Got specialized knowledge? Turn it into a digital product like an ebook or an online course. This strategy offers high profit margins and requires minimal upkeep. Print on demand. Focus on creativity by designing custom products like t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases. A print on demand provider handles the printing and shipping, leaving you free to innovate. Why is ghost commerce the future of entrepreneurship? As the world becomes increasingly digital, this model is poised to dominate the entrepreneurial landscape. Here's why it's not just a trend, but the future. Global accessibility. With tools and platforms accessible from anywhere, anyone with an internet connection can participate. Sustainability. This approach reduces the environmental impact of traditional retail by eliminating the need for physical stores and minimizing waste. Economic resilience. Since overhead is low and automation is high, ghost commerce businesses are well equipped to weather economic challenges. Ready to embark on your ghost commerce journey? This is your opportunity to build a business that aligns with your lifestyle, passions, and goals. Don't wait. Start your ghost commerce journey today and redefine your entrepreneurial future. For more information and resources to guide you on this path, visit andrewplimmer.com.